When working with UVs in 3D Coat, the default unfolding algorithm, 2GU, which stands for Globally Uniform Unwrapping, is probably the best unfolding algorithm you'll find out there. It's even better than ABF++. But as good as it is, it still can leave something to be desired in terms of the overall shape of your UV island. Many times it does a very good job, but other times it may leave some distortions. For example, you can see on some of these elongated shells here that these need to be straightened up in order to maximize the UV space. So let's do that on these shells. I'm going to right click outside and drag right. That will zoom in. And I'm going to switch to edges mode. Select an edge. I'm going to go to the tool panel at the very bottom, and I'm going to select edge loop and then edge ring. Now what we want to do is we want to straighten them out. So let's do that by clicking horizontal. We can take another step to clean this up by choosing equidistant. That makes all the edge rings here equally distant from one another. So now let's click a vertically aligned edge and we'll do the same routine. Edge loop, edge ring. This time we'll choose vertical rather than horizontal. So they're all straight now and they're all equally distant. Let's quickly do it on this other one as well. I'll select an edge, edge loop, edge ring, horizontal, equidistant, edge loop, edge ring, vertical, equidistant. It's just that simple. That's going to be a quick look at using the Quick Edge Alignment UV tools in 3D Coat. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.